do the levels: Defensive Plainswood, 9 gems, Winding Trail, and Woodland Cubbies. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first we're going to start with Defensive Plainswood, and we're going to protect the peasant village of Plainswood from the ogres. We're going to use arguments, basic syntax, strings, and chords. The gear you need: you just need good old basic gear. You do not need the dragon chestplate. All you could have is just normal bronze tarnished gear. I'll just take out all the unneeded stuff. Let me just equip the normal. Let me just equip the normal stuff. Okay, so this is what you will normally have. If you have better equipment, equip it, or else just this is like the least equipment you need. The villagers must survive is the goal of this level. So move your cursor to find an XY location and remember how to build a fence. Okay, so all you have to do in this level is you have to build a fence over here and a fence over there to save the village. So yes, this is a very small level, but just we're gonna cover what we learned today. We use coordinate pairs. Coordinate pairs are a new subject. So if we just go around of this, so now you just used hero dot move left, hero dot move right, hero dot move up, hero dot move down. So if you see here, it starts at 0 0. Okay, there will be 0 0 to like the end, and next to this, the top end is like 100 and 100. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. For example, we go over here, we just have to hover. Okay, we find this coordinate pair. Oh, he has to move to 59 38, or he has to move to 27 and 14. So this is the topic of coordinate pairs. And now you unlock leather boots, which help you move to coordinate pairs. Okay, now 9 gems. Collect all 9 gems using 4 move XY commands. Same gear, use your new move XY leather boots. Same gear, let's go into it. Collect all 9 gems in only 4 moves. So this is how the puzzle works. So you move over here, then you move to 6649. Oh wait, you here and to here. So you can just see that there, go there, and yep, on only 4 moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hints tells you that you can just go fast forward. Hint: there's more than one solution. The facts that you move this, final move is. So it just gives you everything in the hints, but if you didn't check the hints, go and check the hints on every level. It gives you some vital information, sometimes the game changer of the level. So now let's do the level Winding Trail. Stay alive and navigate through the forest. Arguments, basic syntax, and strings. Same gear, use your new leather boots. I'll just equip the bronze tarnished shield. So let's go. Your hero must survive, get to the end of 2 paths, and grab 2 gems. Now you can move to any position. So, same thing, concept of coordinate chords, 0 0 you guys can cover. So you go like, let me just zoom out. Okay. I don't know why it's not coming the full, but what is that your hero's over here. You can just like hover, and if you hover you see 3659 where the gem, or if you just click the gem, You can just go down here and you can see its chords. Then you move to this gem. Then you move to the X. And then build a fence. Or if you have better armor, but if you have better armor and you're just revisiting the level, all you can do, just go up, get all these, and next thing just come back and build a fence. So what? It doesn't say that, but there's not even a bonus, so it's just not that worth it. So you just get this one, you build a fence to stop the ogre. Yep, grab 2 gem, make it to the end of the path, hero must survive. So this is it. We have learned the concept of chords. Chords are gonna be very important as you go up into levels like Sarvin Desert, Cloudroom Mountains, and even Kelvin Tab Glacier. So now woodland cubbies. Navigate through Backwoods Forest, but check every corner to ensure your safety. Arguments, basic syntax, if statements, and variables. Same old equipment. This time I'm just having the normal sharpened sword. Normal sharpened sword. And this just does 10 damage. And defeat the ogres, check the last cubby. Defeat the ogres, check the last cubby. Check wooded cubbies for enemies, but be aware they might not be an enemy to attack. Now if you have access to if statements, so this is what if statements is. So now let's just think about, we're just talking very normally, okay? We are talking very normally. We go like, oh, would you like some ice cream? If you do, I will give you ice cream. So you see that if over there, right? Same. If there's an enemy, if there isn't an enemy, it'll just pass. Pass is just a placeholder. For example, you have this if loop and there's nothing in it, and you just wanna get away from your computer. So you have this if statement, empty if statement, but before you want to do anything, you want to check how the other code runs. So what you can do is you can type pass. Pass just does nothing. It doesn't affect your code, but it just doesn't give you the error of an empty if statement. So same, if enemy is the nearest enemy. So what you should do is that you should go you have to go and check each square if there is an enemy. If there's an enemy, then you attack the enemy. So you go like over here, check the enemies, you go over here, check the enemies, you go over here, check the enemies, then you go over here, like that. But you only have to, so if you have to move there, check if there's an enemy. Next, then you move here, check if there's an enemy. Then you move to the last chords and check if there's an enemy. So yes, if statements, and so now we click submit. So now we go there, nothing. We go there, we see the ogre, we attack it, it's dead. And instead, you win. So moving and shaking, victory. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And guys, this is Cody with Kotam, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.